If the creator tools inside of TikTok are currently not visible for you, today let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now the first and the straightforward process of this is you can try switching to a business account. From the profile section of your TikTok, head over to the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings and privacy, head over to account, and right here you'll see the option called a switch to business account. As soon as you switch to a business account, you should be able to get the creator tools. Now, if you're still not getting the creator tools, even after you switch to a business account, what you can do is try to get the latest version of TikTok. Open up the Play Store and search for TikTok. If you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to get you new features as well as fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. What you can also try out is try to clear the cache of the TikTok app. So from the settings page, you need to scroll down, head over to free up space, and then tap on the clear option right besides the cache option. So you can just tap on clear. What you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone. So just uninstall it and then re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to get the creator tools and you should be able to fix this issue.